Hello and welcome back. In today's video we will see a simple macro useful for creating constraints in assembly. This macro will help us with two types of constraint. First, if we want to move axis to axis and freeze all degrees of freedom, and the second one is helping us to have the possibility to offset and rotate the part. Let's see. We will run the macro. First we will need to select the input axis. I will select it from the tree because I have three instances that are in the same position. And then I will have the second axis as the target in my case, and then I need to select which type of constraint I need. First type is the coincidence all. I will hit 1 and then OK. We will see in the tree in the left side all three coincidences are added. Then I will run it again. Again I will select the axis from the tree and then the target axis from the screen. In the second case I will select 2, so this is the order of the constraints. So we have coincidence, we have contact and angle. And then I need to select which axis is the main axis, let's say for the coincidence constraint. In my case, the Z, it's the rotation axis. I will hit number 3 and then OK. Now in the tree are visible the last three constraints. Here, if I will modify the parameters, we will see we have the degrees of freedom for the offset and also the degrees of freedom for the angle. I will select again. So either from the screen or from the tree, but in some of the cases if you have the instance on the same position, better to select from the tree. Now the second axis, again number 2, and then I will hit the rotation axis number 3. Let's see, rotation is working. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.